Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the like fractions and addition and subtraction of like fractions. So if you like this video, please click on the thumbnail icon below and please subscribe the channel so that you can see all the videos. So let us begin. So what is like and unlike fractions? The fractions which have same denominators are called like fractions. Example, 2 by 8, 5 by 8 and 4 by 8 are like fractions because the denominators are same, and the fractions which have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example, 4 by 5, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 are unlike fractions because denominators are different. So, example of like fractions. Here I am taking two rectangles which are divided into 15 equal parts, and in first rectangle I am selecting 8 boxes, hence it becomes 8 by 15. In second rectangle I am selecting 10 parts, hence it becomes 10 by 15. So here, because both the denominators are same, hence the 8 by 15 and 10 by 15 are like fractions. I will give another example. Here I am taking one rectangle with 8 parts, so it is 8 by 15. Another rectangle with 10 parts, so I will write it as 10 by 15. But this 8 by 15 and the 10 by 15 are not like fractions, even though the denominators of both are same, but the rectangles are not same, means these fractions are not coming from the same whole. So fractions are called like fractions only if both the fractions are from the same whole. This point should be remembered in the exams. So coming to the addition and subtraction of like fractions, it's simple. The addition of like fractions means just adding more equal parts to previous one. Here I am taking example of, I am going to add 6 by 15 and 4 by 15 with this picture to make you understand. With the rectangle and 6 selected parts means 6 by 15. Now simply we have to add this numerator, it is 4 here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am just adding 4 equal parts to this, hence now this will become 10 by 15. So 6 by 15 plus 4 by 15 is 10 by 15. So the subtraction of like fractions means just removing equal parts from previous one. It is same as addition. Addition, we are adding the parts. In subtraction, we are just removing the parts. This example, I am taking 9 by 15 minus 3 by 15. With the example of rectangle, this rectangle represents 9 by 15. Now I am going to subtract 3 by 15 from this. It means I will going to remove this three equal parts from this rectangle, 1, 2 and 3. Hence this becomes 6 by 15. So the 9 by 15 minus 3 by 15 is 6 by 15. Remember, we are just subtracting the numerators. So addition or subtraction of like fractions means simple addition or subtraction of numerators itself. Now we will look into comparing like fractions. We'll take an example of two circles divided into 3 equal parts. In the first circle, I am going to select 2 parts, and second circle 1 part. Means 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. With this picture, it's clear that 2 by 3 is bigger than 1 by 3. So in case of like fractions, the fraction with the bigger numerator is bigger fraction, and the fraction with the smaller numerator is smaller fraction. So let us go to the, I am going to give some tips for exam. It's not tips, like how you are going to write in exam, how you are going to solve this problem step by step. Just I am going to tell you with this example. Here I am going to add 3 by 8 and 2 by 8. In the first step, we should write 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8. The second step looks like this. You are going to add the numerators, 3 plus 2 whole divided by the common numerator. In the last step, you will just add the numerators and write the denominator as it is. Another example, here I am going to add 3 like fractions. It is also simple. The first step, you are going to write it like this: 4 by 12 plus 2 by 12 plus 5 by 12. In the second step, you are going to write the additions of all the numerators whole divided by the common denominator. In the last step, you are going to add all the numerators and write it here with the same denominator. You should write all the steps to get the full marks. Just look into this tricky question you may get in the exam. You will be given with the picture of a big circle divided into 3 equal parts, and another circle also divided into 3 equal parts, but it is smaller than the first one. They are writing it as equal means 1 by 3 of here is equal to 1 by 3 here. They're asking, is it true or false? It is false, because the whole is different. Even though the fraction looks same, but it doesn't belong to the same parts. Okay, so it is false. So in the next video we are going to learn improper fractions, mixed fractions, changing mixed fractions into improper fraction, and vice versa. Thank you.